Hello, my name is Abdur Rehman, GeneralPAC by AllumiaX, and today is the 1st of January 2023. Wishing everyone a happy new year and all of the best wishes to all of the community members. 2022 was an incredible year. We've accomplished so much, and we want to thank you for everyone. Thank you everyone in our community for helping, supporting us throughout the 2022 year, whether it be on YouTube or whether it be on Patreon and supporting it on a monthly subscription, or whether it be at AllumiaX.com and or Udemy for purchasing our courses. Thank you, because we could not do this without your support. And what we're going to do for 2023 is take some of the key learnings that we've had in 2022 and revigorate them and enhance them and really take them and really hit a home run for 2023, taking what we've learned and enhancing them for the year to come. This year has been incredible. We have such potential. We have over 3 million views watched on our YouTube channel. We have over 150,000 hours watched in our YouTube channel. We know that there's value, the content that we provide. So we're just going to take that and we're just going to do the best we can for the upcoming year. GeneralPAC by AllumiaX creates high quality video tutorials. And we focus on the fundamentals because that's where the need is the fundamentals. So thank you for your support. And looking forward to the 2023 year to come. Just to give you just a little bit of an idea of what's to come for 23 is we're going to take the vlog series that we've had. We're going to invite people to that vlog series to come as guest speakers and be inquisitive in our nature and ask questions, because that's where, and focus on the technical, right? Focus on the technical side of things from the get-go. And so we're going to continue to do that. We're going to continue to produce questionnaires that we can, with questions and answers that we can post on our YouTube channel. We're going to continue to create blogs on our website, AllumiaX.com, where people can learn and understand about the technical information in a very different way than the video format. And other things that we're going to do is that we're going to create courses of the core services and engineering that we do at AllumiaX.com and provide that as a course to everyone that's available at our website, AllumiaX.com. /learn. And so we're going to create those courses, very high value, very in-depth, focusing on the fundamentals, and we're going to go all out. So other things that we're going to do for the 2023 year to come is create calculators. We know that once we learn the concept of something and once we've done the calculations on paper, oftentimes we build ourselves a calculator to improve or to repeat the same process, but becoming very efficient. And so we're going to create these online calculators for our website. We'll continue to do that. So I wanted to thank all of our friends and family. A happy new year and the best of wishes, and really excited to see what 2023 year has to come, and looking forward to collaborating with you all. Thank you and happy new year.